Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this video is about how I prepared Barbie fried chicken, which is fried chicken which I barbecue after. So here I use 3 pounds drumsticks, and I will leave the seasonings in the description box below that I use to season this. You will also need a flour mix to dip the chicken in because it will need to be deep fried along with 2 eggs. So I mix the eggs out and then I coat the chicken in eggs and then I dip it in the flour mix to deep fry this. And I will leave all the ingredients and the method I use to do this in the description box below. Once I am ready to fry the chicken, I'll get my vegetable oil, make sure the vegetable oil is well heated to deep fry these drumsticks because it will be done as regular deep fried chicken, and this chicken is nothing short of Jamaican KFC barbecue chicken. There you can see the chicken being fried in vegetable oil. I fry this until it's a little brown, not well done golden brown, because we will need to put this in the oven to bake. Then here you can see the chicken is all fried. I have my sauce next to it, which I leave in the description box below what I used, and turkey bacon. So once the chicken is all fried, I'll cover the drumsticks with barbecue sauce. Then I wrap the turkey bacon on, and then I use a toothpick to hold this in place. Then again, I'll give another coating of barbecue sauce. Once the chicken is all covered in barbecue sauce, I normally preheat my oven to 350 degrees because we will need to bake this in the oven for at least another 30 minutes. So after all that frying, now the barbecue sauce is on it, it needs to go in the oven. Once the oven is preheated, then here you can see I added my baking tray to the oven uncovered with the drumsticks covered in barbecue sauce. And I'll definitely leave what I included in this Baby Ray's barbecue sauce that I use, because I added additional stuff to the barbecue sauce to get a sweet, tangy, even more barbecue taste. This chicken is nothing short, I tell you, of Jamaican barbecue chicken. Here is the finished look. This can be served with rolls, dinner rolls, a salad, white rice, rice and peas, or any food of your choice. Here, just for display, I showed you how I serve this along with gungo rice and peas and some oven roast beef that I did. This oven roast, you will also see the video posted below. You can watch to see how I did the oven roasted beef, but I just used the chicken to show you on display that it can also be served with your dinner alongside any other meat. Again, this was really tasty. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again for subscribing. See you in my next video, and I do hope that you're also trying some of these homemade recipes for yourself. See you in my next video soon. Thank you again for watching.